What's up YouTube? Genie here, back at it again. And eto na guys, eto na. Ila-launch na daw ni PVU yung beta testing ng PVP nila. Anong i-expect nila? May sinabi sila dito eh. Alam niyo may sinabi sila dito, yung PVP daw nila. Sabi nila parang ibang factory chain or ibang something. Tignan natin. Reviewin natin yung mismong announcement nila. Tignan natin kung ano yung sinasabi nilang kasama nung PVP na rollout nila. Kasama ba yan in-game? I mean, isang website lang, kiklik mo lang doon, parehas ba yan ng PVU token sa pinaggagamitan? Kunyari, nilagay mo doon, yung PVU token na nandun mo, yun din na magagamit mo sa PVP or something. Sinagot kaya nila yung mga ganong tanong? Tignan natin. Kaka-announce lang nito about siguro close to an hour ago. So, let's go ahead and check kung ano to. Sana naman makatulong para maka-recover yung PVU token. Kasi ngayon guys, honestly, sobrang baba ng PVU token ngayon. Nasa $5 or something na lang yung 5.6 or 5.5 dollars per PVU token nila. So sana makatulong tong i-roll out nila na to. If you're new to my channel guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell, set that to all. That way you will always be notified sa mga announcements, updates, everything and anything NFT games. Check nyo rin yung channel ko. Napakarami nating feature ng mga NFT games. Do your own research to make sure na at least, kumbaga, hindi naman kayo yung tipong padalos-dalos na, uy, okay tong game na to, pasukin natin agad. Tapos biglang yung pala, alam mo yun, scam pala yung game na yun, rug pull pala yun. Okay, so do your own research. Huwag padalos-dalos. Only spend money you can afford to lose. Okay? So without further ado, guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay, guys. So ito na. Lalagay ko din tong lagay natin tong link dito sa website na Substack na ni-rolloutan or yung reference natin nung sa announcement ni PVU. So, dear PVUers, today we have two big announcements for you guys. We urge you to read the following announcements in its entirety before making any assumptions or questions. Ito na naman kasi sila eh. Alam mo yun, ito yung sinasabi ko eh. Baka mamaya nag-rollout na naman sila. Though hindi ko pa rin nababasa tong pero gusto ko kasi sabay tayo para malaman natin, sabay tayo malaman kung ano yung latest na news ni PVU. Kasi ang nakakaba ko sa kanila, pag sila nagro-roll out, hindi malinaw. Alam mo yun, yung tipong parang masabi lang. Sinabi lang, oy, magro-roll out kami Farm 2.5. Babaguhin namin yung exchange system at saka yung World 3. Tatanggalin na namin yung dilig-dilig ng ganyan, World 3 na ipapalit namin. Hindi mo man lang in-emphasize na kung ano yung dapat talaga malaman ng tao. So, natakot, nagpanic. Sana naman ito hindi, no? Okay, so, sabi niya, firstly, our beta for PvP mode for Plant vs. Undead will be released mid-October. Yan, mid-October. On our new chain, Factory Chain, which means this mode will use a separate ecosystem along with a new token. Here is a brief explanation of how the process is going to work. Ito na. So, nasagot na yung unang tanong natin. Iba siya. Iba yung token na gagamitin. So, yung PVU, parang ang nangyayari, siguro ito yung sa akin. And correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Again, sa mga viewers or sa audience, guys, gusto ko malaman din yung opinion ninyo about this. Kung bakit ganito yung ginagawa nila. Iniiwasan siguro nila or ako, ito. Baka iniiwasan nila yung PVU token na kasi parang ang dating bumabagsak na ng bumabagsak. So, ayaw na nilang ilagay doon yung PVP. Kasi yung PVP, ang tendency niyan is baka pag launch niyan, syempre excited yung mga tao, maraming bibili ng token. Ngayon, yung PVU token nila na old na ginagamit natin dun sa farming, parang alam mo yun, yung tipong pinapabayaan na. Huwag naman sanang ganun, no? Sana naman maisalba pa, sana maka-bounce back. Pero yun yung yun yung take ko doon. Again, gusto ko malaman, comment nyo guys, para malaman din ng iba kung ano yung opinion ninyo, opinion ko to. So, let's just respect each other's sentiments or yung opinion natin kasi iba-iba tayo ng pagkaka-analyze in terms of kung ano yung mga news or kung bakit ginagawa nila to. Okay? Next, during the initial release, asan na ba tayo? So, during the initial release of the PvP mode, players who already own assets in farm mode will be able to replicate all their assets into PvP mode and start playing with their NFTs. So, pwede daw magamit yung mga NFTs natin sa farm na para dun sa PvP. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin kailangan bumili entirely ng bagong NFT plants para dun sa PvP mode. Okay, so 1 week after the release of PvP mode, farm mode and PvP mode will be developed independently. After this point, players can no longer transfer assets between the two modes. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan i-transfer yung mga gusto naming panlaban, ganun ba? Kailangan transfer natin yung mga gusto nating gamitin sa PvP. So, ibig sabihin, pag tinransfer natin yun from the farm to the PvP, wala na tayong kumbaga yung NFT na tinransfer natin na plants, nandun na sa PvP, hindi na natin pwedeng kolektahan ng LE. Ganon, di ba? So, tingnan natin. Okay. To ease players into the new ecosystem and lower the volatility of the new token, 30% of the current PVU liquidity pool on PancakeSwap will be allocated to the swap pool for PvP mode on FAC chain. This also allows players to swap for the new token as soon as it becomes available. We will also continue to add at least 4,000 BNB into the current PVU pool on PancakeSwap until the time to allocate some of that to the pool on FAC chain to further expand and stabilize PVU's price. 1,500 BNB has been added thus far. You can check this information in the announcement earlier on our Telegram announcement channel. This change will actually benefit both the players and developers. For players can earn income from both games independently. Sinasabi ko. So, ibig sabihin, totally independent ang farm sa PVU. Stand alone sila. Parang ganun ang nangyayari. So, ang kailangan natin malinawan dito is yun nga, pagka transfer natin, kailangan ba i-transfer nga o sharing? Kasi sabi niya, after ng second week daw, 1 week after the release of PvP mode, farm mode, and PvP mode will develop independently. At this point, players can no longer transfer assets between the two modes. So, you have to decide which is which. Diba? Parang ganun ang gusto nilang mangyari. So, for developers, we can improve the core gameplay of two games separately without fear of one game affecting the balance of the other. We have already expanded into two separate teams so that both games will have sufficient human resources. Dapat naman talaga ganun di ba? I mean, dapat may team talaga na naka-allocate sa kung saan. Ikaw, kumbaga, kayong 10 kayo, eto, puro PvP ang duty nyo or yun yung responsibility nyo. Kayo, sa farming. Diba? Ganun naman dapat Ba't kailangan na I mean, ngayon lang nila ginawa or something. So, secondly, although PvP mode will be its own game, PvE mode will be integrated into farm mode. Update 3.0, which includes PvE mode, will be released Q4 of 2021. So, stay tuned. So, meron na naman silang panibagong i-release na sana naman, di ba? Malinaw. Okay. In the meantime, LE to PVU exchange rate will increase by 10% every week to be in line with our initial design of farm mode. This change will first take effect at 0000 hour UTC on Monday, September 27th, 2021. This means that At this specified time, the LE-PVU exchange rate will increase by 10% for the first time. 150 LE is equal to PVU to 165 LE to PVU. So tumaas ang exchange. Mas maraming LE ang kailangan para sa PVU. Ngayon, tanong, ano to sa 1 NFT plant? 'Di ba? So I would assume na 1 NFT plant 165 LE is equivalent to 1 PVU. Ito na naman Alam mo 'yun, sana nilinaw na nila na okay, so yun yung nangyari, magkakaroon ng increase ng 10%, 165 LE to 1 PVU na. That is for 1 NFT plant. For 2 NFT plant or more, or yung may mga land, then 100 LE is equivalent to 1 PVU. That is another burning question na dapat sana sinama na nila dito. Kasi critical update na naman to I mean, critical announcement na naman to This can make or break na naman yung price ng token. And baka mamaya, mas lalo mag-dip yung PVU token. This mechanic will remain in effect until Farm 3.0 comes out. And then, PvE mode and then other new mechanics will replace it. Okay, so Q&A tayo. Baka may mga nasagot dun sa mga tanong natin kanina. What will happen to farm mode if PvP mode is released on a new blockchain? Farm mode will remain on Binance Smart Chain or BSC. Technically, nothing has changed for players who have already played the game. However, this mode now has the liberty to develop into a complete game. Okay, so again, separate na talaga ang gusto nilang gawin. When will Farm 3.0 come out? Expected to be released in Q4 2021. Update 3.0 will mark the divergence between farm mode and PvP mode. As for the specific date, stay tuned for further announcement. Okay, so sana naman malinaw yung pagkaka-announce. Again, yan yung parang yan yung laging missing part yung tipong pag nag-announce naman kayo, linawin nyo kasi alam mo yun, nadadamay lahat ng buong community in terms of yung panic Alam mo yun? Okay. So, how do I transfer my asset from farm mode to PvP mode? You don't have to do anything actually. Before the launch of PvP mode, the game server will shut down temporarily for us to clone all assets currently existing in farm mode to PvP mode. Once this process is finished, players can log in PvP mode using the same wallet and their assets would show up. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-clone, ko-clone lahat, so ibig sabihin parehas meron. Ito na, yan na naman yung natin. Ito na naman yung mga tanong natin. After I have transferred my assets from farm mode to PvP mode, will my assets in farm mode disappear? Ayan. No. The assets will be cloned and you will own assets in both games. So yan malinaw na malinaw. Sinabi niya, kung ano yung asset mo doon sa farm, nandun din sa PvP. So dapat hindi mawawala. Tingnan natin baka mamaya meron na naman some changes or anything like that. How many times can I transfer my assets? One time only. Is the income in both games the same? No. They are separated. You can play both games and earn double the amount. So again, independent from each other. So, iba yung earnings mo sa PvP, iba yung earnings mo sa farm. Besides cloning your assets from farm mode, new plants will be sold in the marketplace of PvP mode. So, ayan daw. So, may marketplace din yung PvP mode. Kasi nga, again, sinasabi nila, independent, stand-alone, parehas. So, may marketplace si farm, may marketplace din si PvP. Ito na. Next. Can I transfer my PVU tokens? The answer to that is no, since PvP mode will be released on a new blockchain. It will use a different token. However, you can buy the new token with BUSD. Okay, so iba yung blockchain na paglalagyan ng PVP. So take note of that, guys. Kasi again, critical yan. Ang daming changes. Ang dami na naman mangyayari. Pati yung exchange, binago na naman nila. Tinaasan na naman nila yung LE. So I'm not sure. Is this a good step? Is this really the end of PVU? Or is this something na makakapagpaangat uli sa kanya at mabuhay uli siya? Tingnan natin. So, yun lang ang announcement ni PVU ngayon. So, again guys, ilalagay ko to sa description ng video para you can check and read through it again. May mga gray areas na naman sila in terms of ano ba? Paano ba yung ganito? Paano yung ganyan? Ito lang yung sinabi mo eh. Paano to? May mga ganun na naman. So, hopefully masagot the soonest possible time para hindi mag-cause ng panic. Okay? So, guys, once nag-launch uli ng announcement and update si PVU, ilo-launch agad natin yan. Magagawan uli natin agad ng content yan para updated kayo. So, make sure you like and subscribe. Click that bell, set that to all. That way, pag nag-upload ako ng announcement and updates about PVU or about anything and everything NFT games, updated kayo and notified agad kayo para alam niyo kung anong nangyayari. Kasi baka mamaya meron na palang ibang changes ng ganito, hindi nyo pa alam. Tapos baka akala nyo parang kumbaga nasa scam na kayo or something, rug pull na pala yan or something na ganyan. So, para lang updated kayo lagi, okay? So, that's it for me. I'm out. Peace!